Welcome to Help EDUCARE channel.
Dear students of Standard 5 from Maharashtra board. Today, we are going to solve some multiple choice questions from subject EVS, Part 1, Chapter 3. The Earth and its Living World. There are 2 video sets for this chapter. Each set has 20 multiple choice questions. Link for first video set is given in description. Question number 1. As we go higher from the surface of the Earth, the air in the atmosphere becomes rare. Is it true or false? First option, true. Second option, false.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is true. Question number 2. Which of the following is not a layer of the atmosphere? First option, troposphere. Second option, stratosphere. Third option, mesosphere. Fourth option, hydrosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is hydrosphere. Question number 3. What is the layer that extends from the Earth's surface to a height of about 13 kilometers called? First option, the troposphere. Second option, the stratosphere. Third option, the mesosphere. Fourth option, the exosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the troposphere. Question number 4. Water on the Earth dash continuously due to the heat of the sun. First option, melts. Second option, condenses. Third option, evaporates.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is evaporates. Question number 5. Which layer absorbs ultraviolet rays and keeps the living world safe? First option, oxygen. Second option, ozone. Third option, carbon. Fourth option, hydrogen.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is ozone. Question number 6. All the land features are a part of the Earth's dash. First option, lithosphere. Second option, hydrosphere. Third option, atmosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is lithosphere. Question number 7. Where almost all the water vapor in the atmosphere is contained. First option, in the troposphere. Second option, in the stratosphere. Third option, in the mesosphere. Fourth option, in the exosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, in the stratosphere. Question number 8. In the lower part of the stratosphere, there is a layer of a gas. What is called that layer? First option, ozone. Second option, oxygen. Third option, carbon. Fourth option, hydrogen.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, ozone. Question number 9. What is the taste of ocean water? First option, salty. Second option, sweet. Third option, spicy. Fourth option, no taste.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, salty. Question number 10. Which rays, coming from the sun, are harmful to living things? First option, X-rays. Second option, alpha rays. Third option, gamma rays. Fourth option, ultraviolet rays.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, ultraviolet rays. Question number 11. Which of the following is not an ocean? First option, Atlantic. Second option, Pacific. Third option, Arctic. Fourth option, Antarctica.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, Antarctica. Question number 12. Airplanes fly in higher parts of which layer? First option, the troposphere. Second option, the stratosphere. Third option, the mesosphere. Fourth option, the exosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, the troposphere. Question number 13. Water vapor is heavier than air. Is it correct? First option, yes, it is correct. Second option, wrong. Water vapor is lighter than air.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is, wrong. Water vapor is lighter than air. Question number 14. The processes of evaporation, condensation, and rainfall go on in a continuous cycle. What is this process known as? First option, the water cycle. Second option, the air cycle. Third option, the rain cycle. Fourth option, the life cycle.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is the water cycle. Question number 15. From where do lakes and wells get water? First option, sky. Second option, underground springs. Third option, ocean.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is underground springs. Question number 16. What exists in the lithosphere, hydrosphere, and atmosphere? First option, only animals. Second option, only plants. Third option, only humans. Fourth option, all living things.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is all living things. Question number 17. All animals, plants, and microorganisms are dash on one another. First option, dependent. Second option, not dependent.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is dependent. Question number 18. The water cycle on Earth goes on dash. First option, occasionally. Second option, continuously. Third option, once in a year. Fourth option, once in a decade.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is continuously. Question number 19. What the living things and all the parts they occupy are together called? First option, biosphere. Second option, hydrosphere. Third option, atmosphere. Fourth option, lithosphere.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is biosphere. Question number 20. When layers of ice pile up in a low-lying area, they become enormous in size. This huge mass slips down a slope at a very slow speed. What is it called? First option, iceberg. Second option, glacier. Third option, snow.
Year, time, stars, now.
Correct answer is glacier.
Thank you for watching Help EDUCARE channel. For coming videos, please subscribe this channel and get the videos instantly informed.